How to make money with Bitcoin. Making money with Bitcoin involves various strategies, but it's essential to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks. Here are some common ways people have attempted to profit from Bitcoin. 1. Buying and holding. Purchasing Bitcoin and holding onto it for the long term, hoping its value will increase over time. 2. Trading. Buying and selling Bitcoin at strategic times to take advantage of price fluctuations. 3. Mining. Participating in the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. However, mining has become increasingly resource-intensive and less profitable for individual miners. 4. Investing in altcoins. Exploring other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin that may have the potential for higher returns. 5. Participating in ICOs, initial coin offerings. This involves investing in new cryptocurrency projects during their early stages, but be cautious, as many ICOs have turned out to be scams. 6. Staking. Holding and staking certain cryptocurrencies to earn rewards for validating transactions. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. It's crucial to do thorough research, understand the risks, and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.